Hello everyone, welcome to Nadia Atmaji's YouTube channel. In this episode, I will share to you some tips on settling into your flat. Ketika nyampe flat tuh mungkin kita bingung ya harus ngapain aja, dan I will share to you some tips regarding the setting the Wi-Fi, terus juga beli baju di mana yang murah. Everything you need to settle down in your flat. So make sure you watch it until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. Follow me. Moving into a new place is challenging, right? There must be adjustments here and there. Not to mention living in a whole different country. I know it's not gonna be easy, but like what the wise people say, do it carefully, one step at a time. Hai, kita akhirnya nyampe dengan luggage yang banyak. Our landlord has expected to see us today. She explained how to use several tools that she provided at the flat. Let's take a look at my flat. Hai semuanya, kita baru aja nyampe di flat yang terletak di Camden. Ini kamarnya Rara. First room. And then moving forward, the kitchen. Tadi landlordnya kasih makanan, baik banget deh. Dear tenants, hope you have a pleasant stay in this flat. Enjoy some small snacks. Oh. Kenapa?
Aku kira ukuran kasurnya beda, kayak lebih kotak gitu.
Oh.
Kenapa itu kamar?
Ini kamar aku. Ini belum diapa-apain ya guys.
Pesan dulu jadinya.
Iya. Ini kamarnya yang paling VIP. Melihat pemandangan mantap. Ini sesuai keinginan kamu dulu kan? Aku ingat kamu tuh kayak bilang pengennya kayak menghadap ke jendela keluar. Ini balkonnya. Terus ini kamarnya Vira yang paling gede ininya, lemarinya. Tuh. Yay. Hope we're having a pleasant stay here for sure. Ini adalah toiletnya. Ini toiletnya baru. Showernya buat mandi. When I unpacked my luggage, I realized, wow, I brought along such a huge amount of Indonesian food. Now let's focus on the bed sheet. I put my own bed sheet from Indonesia. If you want to bring Indonesian bed sheet, make sure you had it customized to the right UK size. Thanks mom for customizing this bed sheet for me. Phew, now the bed is ready. We shall buy pillows, duvet, and duvet cover via website. We really love this place because it's strategic, and in terms of the rent fee itu juga affordable sih menurut kita. Doain ya, semoga baik-baik aja di sini. So anxious and excited at the same time. Yaudah, kita mau belanja-belanja dulu. Ikutin terus ya. The locals say that walking in 15 minutes is such an easy job. Well, I'm going to embrace all the long walk then. This is our first stop. We went straight to the online purchase pickup queue.
nih, kita tuh ternyata belanjaannya sebanyak ini, segede-gede ini. Nah itu, pillow-nya ada 4. Kita cuma bawa koper sekecil itu. Terus ada nih lagi nih, Duvet. Tuh, ada. Ini rempong banget sih. Nih. Tuh, bawaan kita banyak banget.
These are what we bought earlier, the duvet and its cover. This one is 10.5 top. It's the cheapest one, but it's sufficiently cozy. Most importantly, it gives me enough warmth. The next things to buy are laundry area and mirror.
Jadi kemarin kita pesen online di Argos. Nah, nanti kita dapat notifikasi kalau barangnya udah ready di pick up point. Kita tinggal scan barcode-nya, petugasnya ngambilin, udah deh kita bawa pulang. Dan ini jauh lebih dekat dari rumah, tanpa ongkir, tanpa harus ke store-nya langsung.
Nih, kita bawa cermin sama jemurannya sendiri.
Moreover, if you need to buy home appliances like indoor furniture, kitchenware, they can be found in Robert Dias. We were satisfied to find this shoe rack for only £11.49 sterling. Other than buying new stuffs, we can actually first ask our Indonesian friends that have finished the study. In my case, my flatmate and I got secondhand kitchenware from Fifi and Rizky. Thanks, guys! For our daily needs related to meal, there is Morrisons near our flat.
Hai guys, kita lagi belanja grocery di Morrisons. Tuh, suasananya. Yeay. Kita mau beli ini loh, makanan yang udah tinggal diangetin karena kita belum punya alat masak. So, kita beli apa ya? Kita lihat aja nanti ya, tungguin.
My flatmate bought Indomie. I bought this roasted chicken, which apparently tastes good. Other than that, there is also ALDI, Tesco, LIDL, and Sainsbury. But for now, I like to do regular groceries at ALDI because the price is so affordable for students. Can you imagine all of this purchase only cost me £28.11 sterling, and it can last for about 2 weeks. Meanwhile, this is the place to look for ingredients from Asian countries. These are what I found here. There are expensive vegetables. I really miss cheap veggies from the traditional market in Indonesia, honestly. This is Chinese cabbage or Indonesian sawi putih. This is mixed fish cakes for steamboat, sweet soy sauce, Indomie, and of course we need rice. I bought Japanese sushi rice. Also, there are Asian chili or cabe in Indonesian. But don't say it twice because cabe-cabean has a whole different meaning. We decided to use Virgin Media for our Wi-Fi. The internet broadband kit was received a day after our phone registration.
Jadi kita pesan yang Virgin Media. Kenapa? Karena kita dapat info dari landlord bahwa ini tuh dipakai di hampir semua rumah gitu loh. Terus previous tenants juga pakai, dan kita juga ada promo code. Kita kan pencari promo ya sis. Jadi kita bakal dapat cashback gitu loh setelah kita order di sini.
This is the parts of the broadband kit. We just followed the instruction from the internet.
Jadi setelah kita setup semuanya tadi, alhamdulillah udah bisa berfungsi nih. Ini ya tandanya kalau misalnya masih warna-warni itu belum bisa dipakai. Tadi tuh di sini ada warna hijau, logo-logo gitu. Terus ini juga warna merah, hijau, gonta-ganti gitu. Nah, sekarang ini udah putih dan kita udah berhasil connect nih ke Wi-Fi-nya. Nah, buat kalian yang masih bingung mau pakai provider apa untuk Wi-Fi-nya, aku bukan di endorse, tapi aku ada kode promo, reference code buat kalian pakai. Nah, nanti kalau misalnya kalian pakai reference codeku, kalian bisa dapat cashback 60 pound sterling. Lumayan banget kan, bisa buat belanja bulanan, bisa buat beli sayur, buah.
Since I have only few clothes, I immediately look for heat tech clothes so I wouldn't get cold. I think this Uniqlo is really big. There are so many choices of knitwear, jacket, and coat, but it's rather pricey. So if you're looking for a cheaper price, it's actually better to go to Primark.
Guys, ini belanjaan aku tadi. Aku mau check out sekarang, self check out. Nih aku dapat yang diskon tuh jadi 9,9. Padahal ini tadinya yang kayak 30-an pound gitu. Terus juga ini heat tag-nya juga diskon, yang tadinya 16 pound jadi berapa tadi ya, 9 pound gitu. Kita langsung check out aja ya. Ini kita tunjukin barcode-nya di mana sih? Scanner. Maaf saya gaptek. Ntar are you app member? No.
Nah, udah ditaruh.
Terus taruh di sini. Satu. Lihat guys, langsung ketahuan barangnya apa. Tuh, heat tech tight. Satu. Terus dua. Coba kita lihat. Tuh juga langsung nambah. Terus salah payment method ini ya, card. Ini kan assist. Ini accepted. Tuh udah langsung diproses.
If you're looking for the cheapest clothes, you can opt to buy at charity shops. Usually, I found the price starts from as low as £1 sterling, depending on the brands. Or another option is to go to a vintage fashion pop-up. Here you can buy any clothes for £20 per kilo. I think it's safe to say that it's a good deal. Of course, if you don't mind wearing secondhand clothes. Well, this is called circular economy. Not only it's a good lifestyle for the environment, but also it's suited for the student's budget as well. Meanwhile, if you want to buy branded sports shoes such as Nike, you can check the big store at Oxford Street. Meanwhile, for a discounted price, I heard it's usually at Wembley or King's Cross store. The cold British weather makes my skin super dry, so I immediately looked for an easily accessible drugstore. Boots is the one I visit most often because the outlets are everywhere.
Kamu habis beli apa?
Habis beli micellar water sama lip balm. Ini it's a must banget sih.
The London Underground, or the Tube, is a rapid transit system serving Greater London and some parts of the adjacent counties of Buckinghamshire, Essex, and Hertfordshire in the United Kingdom. The Underground has its origins in the Metropolitan Railway, the world's first underground passenger railway. Opened in January 1863, the network has expanded to 11 lines and in 2020-21 was used for 296 million passenger journeys.
Sekarang kita lagi turun ke bawah untuk menuju ke tube-nya.
Making it the world's 12th busiest metro system. The lines collectively handle up to 5 million passenger journeys a day and serve 272 stations. Despite its name, only 45% of the system is under the ground. Much of the network in the outer environs of London is on the surface. London's iconic double-decker buses are a convenient and cheap way to travel around the city with plenty of sightseeing opportunities along the way. London buses are all cashless, so you need an Oyster card or contactless payment. And the one-trip bus fare is £1.55.
Yay! So you've finally reached the end of the video. I hope you find the video useful, and please share it to your friend who might need it, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification button for future videos. I will share to you about London, culinary, traveling, everything's useful for you. And don't forget also to use our referral code. Okay? Bye!